Hello students, I am Mr Shivkumar sir, and I am here to teach you the practice examples regarding change the tense. Practice examples regarding change the tense, and they are about group B continuous tense. Continuous tense means present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Before starting this teaching, I would like to request you do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Let us see. I have been studying all subjects. I have been studying all subjects. Present continuous. We want to make it present continuous. So what is the formula of present continuous? S plus, am is there plus, before plus, post. So if you watch my all videos regarding tenses, then you will learn formulas also. So S plus, am is there plus, before plus, OC we want to apply here. So see, I is here subject I am writing. Then am is there plus before है तो have और been का have और been जो है इन ये जो helping होगा और ये जो helping of इनकी यहाँ पे जरूरत नहीं है. तो I के साथ मैच होने वाला हमारा singular helping of कौन है? That is am. Am. Then here is also before and जो हमारा फॉर्मूला है उसमें भी before ही है तो वही ऐड करेंगे. I am studying all subjects. I am studying all subjects. So which is in formula of present continuous we have added, and which is not necessary we have deleted. So what have we deleted? Have been. And what have we added? Am is are plus before for before. That's called change the tense. What is unnecessary we need to delete, and what is necessary we need to add, and it is possible. This is called change the tense, and you will get command for change the tense if you watch my all videos regarding tenses. Second one, she works in the farm. Past continuous बनाना है तो यहाँ पे जो simple present है देखो ये V1 आने वाला है यहाँ. So what's the formula of past continuous? S plus was where plus before plus OC. So here yes, which is yes here, which is subject? She. I am writing this. Then was where में का ये singular subject है तो singular helping of हमारे पास जो है उसका नाम है was. She was. Then transform this V1 into V4. So what is the V4 of work? That is working. Then in the form copy paste. Complement है ये तो इसको हम copy paste करेंगे. So now we have changed this simple present into past continuous. That is she was working in the farm. Third one example. She will teach me some hard concept. Future continuous बनाना है तो हमारा future continuous का formula है S plus shall be will be plus before plus OC. Practice makes man perfect. So see subject here he, then future continuous है तो third person होने की वजह से हम will be यहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे. हमारे formula में है वो he will be. then ये जो V1 है इसका V4 बनाएंगे हम. That is teaching. Then this copy paste, that is me some hard concept we need to copy paste that QOLCEPTS. So he will be teaching me some hard concept. That is future continuous. Next, we have played cricket on the ground. Have plus B3 means it's a present perfect, and we want to make present continuous. What is the formula? S plus am is plus before plus OC. If you want to get more perfection, then you will have to watch my videos as well as learn all formulas. Okay, so the answer we present continuous we plural subject. So हमारे पास helping of आएगा are. ये have remove करके are. We are. Then played का before, that is playing. We are playing. This the object is copy and complement is also copy, that is on the ground. Finish. Next one, we are playing cricket on the ground. I throw a ball. Past continuous बनाना है. What is the formula of past continuous? S plus was there plus before plus OC. If you want such a more perfection, then you will have to learn formulas. It does not have alternative. So the answer here I, then past continuous means was, throw का before throwing. I was throwing a ball. Finish. So students, you must not forget to like, subscribe, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.